Are you ready to bring it? Introducing the ramp and basket style aluminum cargo carriers from CURT. The 18113 basket style cargo carrier fits all 2-inch receiver tubes and is constructed from welded aluminum. This carrier supports up to 500 pounds, and its spacious design provides ample room for all of your gear. This carrier also features built-in reflectors for added visibility and safety. The 18112 ramp-style cargo carrier fits all 2-inch receiver tubes and features a folding shank and a built-in ramp that makes loading scooters, mowers, and snowblowers easy. The ramp can be extended, folded vertically, or stowed in the carrier. It also features reflectors for safety and supports up to 500 pounds. This carrier also includes tie-down eyelets to secure your load safely and a threaded anti-rattle shank. So get out there, have some extra space, and get ready to bring it.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.